You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French phrase, meaning, how are you? In French, how do you say how are you? That's going to be for somebody you know fairly well or you're quite familiar with, a friend, because it uses the tu, which is the informal you. Comment vas-tu? Comment, meaning how. Vas-tu, meaning are you. Vas-tu, the S is silent, okay? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? There's a different way of saying it. If you don't know the person really well, you can say comment allez-vous, and there's a video coming up for you, so stay tuned to the channel. But this one, comment vas-tu? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.